But along came the Michelin Man, who reminded them the right tire changes everything. Michelin, a better way forward. But along came the Michelin Man, who reminded them the right tire changes everything. Michelin, a better way forward.
A tire is a complex assembly of many elements, implementing a wide variety of raw materials. The composition of the rubber compounds varies within a single tire. Each compound is carefully developed to meet the requirements in terms of flexibility, resistance, grip, etc. Long lengths of metal and synthetic cable are also used. Manufacture is performed on the drum, a rotating cylinder whose central flexible section can be inflated for reasons which we will see later. The first element applied to the drum is a sheet of airtight synthetic rubber. This layer replaces the inner tube in today's tires. In a second stage, a ply made of textile cords sheathed in rubber is then added. This network of cables will form a reinforcement radiating around the tire. It is the radial carcass. Braced against strips of profiled rubber, two high-resistance metal cable hoops are installed. These are the bead wires. They will hold the tire on the rim. The casing ply is folded over the beads to anchor it. Other elements are added. The sidewalls made of flexible, resistant rubber will protect the tire from lateral damage. The tire is then shaped by inflating the central section of the drum. Two plies are applied to the crown of the tire. They are reinforced with metal wire arranged obliquely and, with the casing ply, form a network of triangles to limit the deformations of the tire. Finally, the tread is fitted, the part of the tire in contact with the ground. The tire blank can then be installed in the curing mold. In the center, a bladder filled with pressurized hot water pushes the still malleable material to the base of the patterns engraved in the mold. The heat of the water and steam surrounding the mold will cause curing to begin. The rise in temperature causes vulcanization of the rubber. The sulfur incorporated into the rubber compounds forms bonds between the polymer chains. At this point, the rubber switches from a plastic state to an elastic state. When removed from the mold, the tire has acquired its definitive form and properties.